In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove an admin from your Wix website. Let's get started by logging into your Wix account. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to www.wix.com. Once there, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Use your credentials to sign in. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, you'll need to select the specific website that currently has the admin you want to remove. Next, let's open your site roles and permissions settings. You'll find these by going to the left-hand menu of your site's dashboard. Click Settings, then look for Roles and Permissions. Depending on your Wix plan, this option might be found under Site Members or Team Management. Here, you will find a list of all users with access to your site, including owners, admins, and contributors. Your next task is to identify the admin you wish to remove. Scroll through the list of users. Each one will have a label indicating their role, such as admin, back office manager, or blog editor. Pay close attention to the labels to ensure you're selecting the correct user. It's important to remember that only the site owner has the authority to remove other admins. If you're not the owner, you'll need to request their assistance to complete this step. To remove the admin, look beside the name of the person you've identified. You'll see 3 dots. Click those dots and a small menu will appear. From the options provided, select Remove or Delete Role. This action will bring up a confirmation pop-up. To finalize the removal, click Remove in the pop-up. Once you do this, that admin's access to your Wix dashboard and website tools will be immediately revoked. Finally, let's make sure everything is correctly updated. Wix will automatically update the permissions once you've removed an admin. To double check, you can refresh your roles page to confirm that the admin no longer appears in the list. And there you have it, you've successfully removed an admin from your Wix website. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have other questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.